There are cars that break records, and then there are cars that break the rules of the game. One car didn't just change how we look at driving, it changed the entire industry, permanently. It wasn't built by one of the traditional car giants. It came from a company most people didn't even take seriously at first, but when it finally hit the roads, everything changed. It pushed boundaries, forced competitors to react, and sparked a movement that's still going strong today. We're talking about the Tesla Model S, the electric car that shook the world. And today, we're counting down 10 ways it changed the auto industry forever. 10. It made electric cars desirable. Before the Model S came out in 2012, electric cars weren't exactly exciting. They were often small, slow, and had very limited range. Most people saw them as just commuter tools for environmentally conscious drivers. But the Model S flipped that image on its head. Here was a sleek luxury sedan that looked great, handled well, and had serious speed. It could go from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds in some versions. It didn't feel like a compromise, it felt like an upgrade. Suddenly, driving electric wasn't just practical, it was cool. The Model S made people want an EV not just to save money on gas, but because it felt futuristic, fun, and stylish. 9. It forced legacy automakers to catch up. Big automakers like Ford, GM, Toyota, and BMW were slow to commit to electric cars. Many of them treated EVs as side projects or compliance vehicles, just to meet regulations. But when Tesla released the Model S and buyers started lining up, it woke the entire industry up. Suddenly, these companies realized Tesla wasn't just a niche player, it was a threat. The performance, design, and technology of the Model S showed what an EV could really be. It became clear that the old way of doing things wasn't going to work forever. Tesla's Model S pushed the entire auto world to take electric cars seriously. Now, nearly every major brand is rushing to release high-performance EVs of their own. 8. It changed what we expect from car technology. The Model S didn't just drive differently, it was built differently. Instead of dozens of buttons and knobs, it had a massive touchscreen that controlled nearly everything, from climate to navigation to media. It felt more like a smartphone than a car, and people loved it. Tesla also sent out regular software updates over the air. That meant the car actually got better over time without going to a dealership. Features were added, bugs were fixed, and even performance was improved. No other car company had done anything like that. It changed how people thought about their cars. Now, almost every car maker is working on making their vehicles more connected and updatable, thanks to the Model S7. It proved long-range EVs were possible. One of the biggest fears people had about electric cars was range. Most EVs at the time could barely go 100 miles on a charge, but the Model S offered over 265 miles of range when it launched, and newer versions went beyond 400. That was a huge deal. It meant people could actually use the car for more than just short trips. They could go on road trips without worrying about getting stuck. This long range proved that electric cars didn't have to be limited to city driving. It gave drivers confidence, and it destroyed one of the main arguments against EVs. Now, high range has become the standard for every new electric car. 6. It built a supercharger network to solve charging worries. Even with longer range, charging was still a concern for most people. Tesla didn't just build a car, they built an entire network to support it. The supercharger network was a game changer. It allowed drivers to quickly charge their Model S on long trips, often in less than an hour. And the stations were placed along major highways and in key travel spots, making long-distance driving not just possible, but easy. Other automakers had no such network. Tesla's decision to invest in its own charging infrastructure gave the company a massive advantage. It also set a new standard, forcing other companies and governments to build better charging systems too. 5. It introduced autopilot and changed the future of driving. When Tesla added autopilot to the Model S, it wasn't perfect, but it was groundbreaking. The car could keep itself in a lane, adjust speed with traffic, and even change lanes with a tap. This was one of the first real steps towards self-driving cars. No other vehicle at the time had this level of automation in a production model. While other automakers were still talking about it, Tesla was already letting drivers try it out. It sparked a massive wave of innovation in driver assistance technology. Now every major car brand is working on their own advanced systems because Tesla proved people wanted it, and it was possible. 4. It flattened the traditional dealership model. The Model S wasn't sold through traditional dealerships. Instead, Tesla sold it directly to customers through its own stores and online. This broke the usual dealership model, which many people found frustrating and outdated. With Tesla, you could configure and order your car online without any pressure from salespeople. You also didn't need to haggle over price. It was the same for everyone. It felt modern and transparent. This new way of selling cars caught on quickly, and now other automakers like Rivian and Lucid are following the same approach. Even traditional brands are rethinking how they sell cars because of the Model S 3. It used clean energy as a selling point, not just a feature. The Model S didn't just offer electric power, it turned sustainability into a badge of honor. Tesla didn't hide the fact that it was trying to change the world. The car became a symbol of clean energy, progress, and future thinking. Owners didn't just feel like they bought a car, they felt like they joined a movement. The Model S made clean energy aspirational, not just responsible. It was one of the first times environmentalism felt exciting. This shift in perception helped push green technology into the mainstream, influencing everything from home energy systems to corporate responsibility campaigns. 2. It inspired a new generation of startups. The success of the Model S showed that a newcomer could succeed in one of the toughest industries in the world. It gave hope to other companies that innovation could beat tradition. Because of the Model S, we now see startups like Lucid Motors, Rivian, and even traditional tech companies trying to get into the EV game. They've seen what's possible when you think differently. The Model S didn't just launch a new kind of car, it sparked a new kind of competition. It inspired fresh ideas, new technologies, and bold strategies. In many ways, it opened the door for a whole new era in transportation. 1. It shifted the entire industry toward an electric future. Above all, the Tesla Model S made it clear that the future of cars is electric, not in 50 years, not in some distant vision, now. After the Model S, every car maker started taking EVs more seriously. Governments introduced new rules to phase out gas vehicles. Battery tech improved, charging networks grew, public opinion changed. None of this happened overnight, but it all traces back to the impact of this one car. The Model S wasn't just a success, it was a turning point. It showed the world what electric cars could be. And once people saw it, there was no going back. This one car changed everything. The Tesla Model S didn't just enter the market quietly, it roared in and changed everything we thought we knew about cars. From performance and range to design and technology, it raised the bar in every direction. It forced the auto industry to evolve and gave drivers something they didn't know they needed. It was more than a car, it was a wake-up call. And we're all still feeling the effects today. If you enjoyed this breakdown and learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing stories about how the world around us is changing, one invention at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.